Now, last class we have discussed the some rule of exponent, basic rule of exponent and power. Today we have discussed some problem related to the rule of the exponent and the power. See this question number 1. There are the three rules: a की power m into a की power n, a की power m into a की power n. Base is same, power will be add. Similarly, a की power m upon a की power n, a की power m minus n. And today discuss the some problem related to these two rules. Question number 1. Simplify. Simplify. First is minus 5 upon 7 power 4 divided by 5 upon 7 to the power of 2. See this question. Here 5 upon 7 is the base, is the same. Power is a 4 and 2, but in the form of a divide. We know that if base is same, power is different or same, in the form divide, power will be subtracted. It means 5 upon 7, 4 minus 2. It means 5 upon 7, 4 minus 2, 5 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 5 square means 5 upon 7 into 5 upon 7. This is the 25 upon 49. Similarly, one more question. This is a minus 2 upon 3 to the power of 2 into minus 2 upon 3 की power 3. In this question, also minus 2 upon 3 the base, minus 2 upon 3 the base, and base is same, and in the form of multiply, the power will be add. So minus 2 upon 3 to the power of 2 plus 3, or minus 2 upon 3 की power 5. It means minus 2 upon 3 into 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 minus 2 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3. It means minus 32 upon 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 is 81, 81 3 is 243, 32 upon 243 is the answer. Now another more example. Basis of the rules. 1 upon 10 the power of 4 divided by minus 1 upon 10 the power of 2. In this question, base is 1 upon 10. In the form of a divide, power will be minus 1 upon 10, 4 minus 2, minus 1 upon 10 की power 2. It is a minus 1 upon 10 into minus 1 upon 10, 1 upon 100. One question number 2. Question number 2. This is the worksheet number. This is the worksheet number 3. Okay. Evaluate. Question is the first. 1 upon 3 to the power of 6 divided by 1 upon 3 to the power of 5 divided by 1 upon 3. In this question, according the BODMAS rule, bracket of divide, multiply, add and subtract. First we solve the bracket. If we observe in bracket, base is same, in the form of divide, power will be minus 1 upon 3, 6 minus 5 divided by 1 upon 3 to the power of 1. We are getting power 1 upon power 1. Again base is same, power will be minus 1 minus 1. We know that 1 upon 3 की power 0 and each and every power having power 0 is a 1, answer is a 1. Now, one more question. This is a 2 की power 4 into 2 की power 5 divided by 2 की power 8. See this, here base is same, power will be at 2 की power 9 divided by 2 की power 8. Now base is same, in the form of divide power will be minus 9 minus 8, 2 की power 1, that is a 2. And one more question. Last question, 4 square minus 3 square divided by 1 upon 7 to the power of 2. This is a 4 square, this is 16. 4 into 4, 16. चाहे तब ले सकते हैं 4 into 4 minus 3 into 3. This is a 1 upon 7 to the power of 2. Here is a 16 minus 9 divided by 1 upon 7 to the power of 2. So 7 divided by 1 upon 7 की power 2. So it becomes 7 to the power of 1 divided by 7 to the power of minus 2. Here base is same. In the form of a divide, power will be minus 1 minus minus 2. 7 plus 2. 7 की power 3. It means 7 into 7. This is a 343. If you have any doubt in this question, last class we are discussing in the Zoom class. Having any problem, ask me. Now I wish you best of luck. Tomorrow meet you.